Alright, listen to this. So £330 later. Nice. And now we're going to the Stratford show.
Hi, we're Callum and Tash and Rosie, and we quit our 9 to 5s to live and travel full-time in our DIY van conversion. Follow our life on the road and subscribe to our van life travel channel.
In this video, we start by going to the Adventure Overlander show, followed by the Four Falls Walk in Wales and the Brecon Beacons. Next, we go to a van life meetup and do a bit of surfing. And finally, we head to the Black Mountains to take a hike up Cluny Fan. Morning. Here we are. This is the Adventure Overlander show. So we're sort of in the creator section, which is pretty cool. So right near the bandstand. A lot of people have arrived already. We've got a couple more spaces on the end. But then, yeah, this is the creator section, and it goes all the way over there. So all of these fields are like camper vans, and then you've got like the big Overlanders. It's about 9 o'clock this morning. There's a couple of you outside, all right? Come say hi, come say hi. This is Steve from the Roman Rappers, who kindly invited Tash and I.
He still needs a shave this morning, you know.
I know, I'm a mess. I'm an absolute mess. But yeah, Steve was also kind enough to give us one of these. So, obviously a QR code, scan it, and our YouTube will pop up. But yeah, first things first, I need to get rid of this because it's looking pretty ratty, if I'm being honest, and that's fair enough. What's for breakfast, Tash?
Bacon and cheese sandwich.
Lovely. Oh, we've got dogs next to her, so she's wary, but I think she's actually bigger than them, so she's fine.
She went in her van yesterday.
Yeah, she did go in their van yesterday.
So today we have come to Waterfall Country. We have actually been here once before.
When was that, like 2-3 years ago?
Yeah, a few years ago now, but we loved it so much, and so we've come back today as we're just happened to be going to Wales, so thought we'd pop by.
We're gonna go there, we're gonna go take you with us.
This path is so slippy. Honestly, we're just walking like so slowly just so we don't both fall over.
Guys, how awesome is this place? I think it's amazing. I love a good waterfall.
He was brave, wasn't he? A bit cold.
Guys, look at these. People have made little cairns on the river.
Wow, there's like at least a couple hundred here. Like, look at those all the way down there. It's like literally all you can see.
Look at them all. Now we're just about to go to the last waterfall, and this one is particularly amazing because you can walk behind it. What was that?
Without getting wet, that is. Not like that other crazy bloke.
Earlier this year, so what was it, May, April time?
June, actually.
June, actually. We actually got invited to do something for Channel 4. So there's a TV production crew called Avanti Media, and they asked us to be on their show. And the show is called The Perfect Pitch, which is actually on right now. As by the time this vlog goes out, it will still be on. And we are going to be on Monday the 4th of October for 5 days. So I guess that's going to be until Friday the 9th. So it's about 5:30. So yeah, go check that out. We're going to be on TV, which is absolutely mad. I'll sort of explain in another video how that all came about. So at the end of September, we got invited to go to a rap party, which is where the casting crew sort of like come together and basically just have a night out and sort of like cheers everyone for like a good show, like a wrap up basically. So yeah, this is what happened. Alright, so this is where we're parked, and Callum and David are, oh, where are they there? Just reversing in right now.
Look you where you stop now, dear.
Camera in the face.
Yeah, did you know we lost the awning?
No, what do you mean?
Oh, you want to see next week?
Really?
Oh no, wow. Carolyn, being the ex-nurse,
Yeah.
has got a ton of lateral flow tests which we need to do before we go to this party.
If you're positive, I'm going to hate you forever, you know that.
Just be gentle, please.
Oh yes. Say R. Open wide. Ready? This is the easy bit, for goodness sake. Whoa, wuss.
Lovely.
Put that in there. You twizzle it around. We deposit in a nice way. You put the drops on there.
Alright, so there's me. Nice and negative. Three, two, one, go!
That's actually disgusting.
So the next day was pretty much a write-off, and we just had to sort of like rest and relax before we went to a van life meetup that Nick Rome's put on, where we spent the day surfing and meeting loads of new van lifers.
After our day of surfing had come to an end, we all headed up the road about a mile to go to a campsite. We had some dinner and settled down for the evening around the campfire and just had a fun night. The following day, a bunch of us attempted to hike up Clunyfan, which is located in the Black Mountains in the Brecon Beacons.
Look at the gimbal. Hey.
Big man, big machine, but no help.
Thank you. Up top of a hill in Wales. OnlyFans!
Tash,
Yeah.
are you not getting in?
No, I'm not getting in.
Wait, I feel
Beth?
like if I turn around,
I'll pass.
my butt is going to be on your
I would if it was sunny and warm, but no, sorry.
Oh my god, my whole foot just sank! It's not as deep as it looks.
Yeah, just do it.
Do it now. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Recording. Go.
It's not far enough. It's not because I'm a it's because there's not far enough. I can't look, the seaweed is so thick.
Simple as that.
Just do it. Just do that. Just do it, Connie. Yeah?
Easy.
Okay, you ready?
Well done.
Oh, that was nice. Oh yeah. I love it.
Like no biggie. I'll just do it later. I would never go in that water, I'm sorry, but you're so brave.
I would.
As much as we take the licky out of you.
Oh my god, I wasn't recording!
Your turn?
Absolutely not.
Your turn.
Would you do it, Callum?
I would not do it, no.
If it was really sunny,
If it was sunny,
we
yeah,
all
I
would, I think.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, if it was sunny and warm.
Yeah, we could actually dry off.
They haven't even
Yeah.
got a towel. What are you going to do?
I will.
Walk back down like that.
Yeah.
Hair dry.
I might actually do that for a bit.
Like, fair play to you, like,
I love it. Like right now, my skin is like
alive.
alive, like completely. And the other day when I felt run down a bit earlier, and now I don't.
For that, go on, give yourself a shout out. How can people find you?
Hi, I'm Polly, and I'm Polly. Who am I? I'm Polly underscore Polly Olivia. Oh, I can't do finger guns when I introduce myself.
Instagram.
Okay.
_ Polly Olivia. That's it.
We walked back down the mountain with smiles on our faces, soaked to the bone, and went to find our park up for the night.
Alright, so this is where we all slept last night, near a reservoir here in Wales, sort of just a couple miles out the Black Mountains. Do you want to say goodbye to the vlog?
Bye, everybody. Safe travels.
Just say goodbye, Jake.
You want to say goodbye, Jake?
Goodbye.
Oh, you're actually going to say goodbye, Jake.
Arrivederci.
Goodbye. Ciao.
Alright, so we're going to leave you here. We're going to go up Rosie, leg